side job you do? Is your main thing?
No, actually, bro, I started landscaping, and I just started buying a bunch of trailers, and I got into everything else. But I just do this right now since, like, you know, it's already getting to that cold season, so grass isn't gonna be growing and shit. So, yeah, transport and shit. I mean, everything, you know, whatever can give me some money. All right, what's up, guys? We're here at Cruise Discount Tires. Came to help this guy. His tire went flat. Just came to swap it out for him. Should be able to get it done. I already went ahead and took off his tire. Just gonna get it spare and go install it, and that should be it for today. Yeah, me too. That's my first. I low-key put so much money into fucking Dogecoin, bro. It's not even funny. The next time someone puts these hoes on, bro, just be careful, because it looks like whoever put it on earlier kind of, yeah, just be careful, because they're kind of like cross-threaded, but I'm getting it, trying to get it so it won't be. That's why I hate going to the the tire shops, bro. The impacts, bro, are way stronger than this shit, and they're savages, bro. I don't give a All right, guys, there you go. I went ahead and put it on. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. We went ahead and got it done. Should be ready to go.